What is up, ladies and gentle tips? Welcome to our first convertible ride here. And I forgot the adapter from my Rode microphone, so I had to tuck my Bear Zoom microphone here. So I'm really hoping you guys are hearing me okay and that it sounds good. If anything, it's gonna sound more of like a wide effect. But since you guys, since my top's down, I can't suction cup you guys to the top. So I have you guys on my roll bar back here. And today we're finally doing that Lytle Creek drive. Man, it feels fucking beautiful outside though, man. I'm loving this. It really is an awesome vibe riding with the top down, or driving with the top down. And I get a box truck in front of me, go figure. But it's a nice, pretty overcasty, cloudy day. And I don't know why, I just felt relaxing to go ahead and go out on a drive, so that's what we're doing today. Oh yeah, baby. It's crazy how fucking nice this car feels. Like the poles, everything. When it's just sitting still and it's high revs, it just runs so good. Damn, someone cream pied that. But we brought us some chooch. My goal is to find us a cool little chooch spot. We're gonna get out of the car, chill, enjoy some view ropes, have a little chooch, and drive back. It's a nice chill day today. I kind of like riding top down on a more overcasty day because I don't have a sun just completely cooking my asshole alive. Oh, hopefully you guys can see it, but look, I got my new shift boot and brake boot installed with nice little tan accents on it. Man, I'm really hoping this audio sounds. Ooh, ouch. This got hit. Something rock hit my shit. Fuck. I was jamming 80s tunes and it felt like I was this car. It was at home with this car. Let's see what's playing right now. Oh hell yeah! Those seat speakers really come in handy when you got the top down. You can hear the music just fine. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and make our left right here, head into the Lytle Creek region. Damn, fucking diesel truck ain't even stopping. Legit roadster action today, baby. I've never taken this thing to Lytle Creek yet. But I bet she's gonna feel fun in there. Sounds like a straight up fucking certified rice burner under the tunnel. Damn, this must be like the night zone for all the truckers. It's crazy, for this thing being supercharged and shit, it gets pretty fucking good gas mileage. This car downshifts so nice. Here we are, Lytle Creek. San Bernardino National Forest sign, nice. Mother Nature time. Look how beautiful this shit is, man. I love Lytle Creek. My car's like, ooh, twisties. Here's where the running water is right here. nice of them to put a trash can right there for all the motherfuckers littering out here. I don't know how like somebody could willingly fucking like be in a spot like this and just dump trash into the ground. I don't understand that at all. Somebody sent me this clip from like a Cartoon Net or an Adult Swim show, whatever the fuck it was, and it was like a cartoon with a song with the dude going, "It's a Miata." I loved it. It sounded fucking dope. There's like glow ass clouds next to me. It looks so dope. It's kind of where the static camera kind of sucks tip. Holy shit, look at this view. It's fucking gorgeous. Oh, here we go. You guys are gonna see it now. I think this is the ranger station right here. Yep. Front County Ranger Station, partner. No stopping anytime. No stopping anytime. Oh damn, it's windy as fuck. Holy shit. Out of nowhere. Wonder if it's expensive to live out here. See, that's the thing. I've never looked up like prices of homes and places like all this shit. So it'd be all new to me. For all I know, it's same as San Bernardino to live out here. I'm gonna take this up until the road ends because this ends up at a spot where it says the road's not maintained anymore, and that's where I bent the rim on my Grom. Right, it was literally a couple months new, and I bent the rim on it because there's a fat pothole here, and these my rims will break on this car. Uh-oh, squirrel. Right here. Road not maintained. But look at the view, holy shit. Sheesh, how does a car look so damn good? But here we are on this, what looks to be endless. Oh shit, this car coming. There's so many used condoms right here, like, there's so many cheeks that's been beat here. Look how dope this view is, though. It's just fucking gorgeous. Sounds like there's like a bike or something coming. Oh yeah, there is. Look at this path right here. That legit looks like it used to be something. I could definitely maneuver my DR200 around this and metal detect that. There's a lot of history in these hills too, so this would be a good spot to check out, actually. There's my girl over there looking all pretty. Alright, let's get back in the car. I want to park back by that bridge back there. I wonder how cool it is to live like right here, like at the end of this road. Damn, this place almost looks like it was never fucking used at one point anymore. Like nature's reclaiming it ever since this whole pandemic shit. Oh man, I love this car. It is so relaxing. I feel like Austin Powers at the beginning of fucking The Spy Who Shagged Me. Is it Spy? Yeah, it's Spy Who Shagged Me. Wait, no, is it the first one? I forget. The one where he's got like his shagmobile and he's like going down the mountain roads. I think they filmed that in California even. Ironically. I could be mistaken. I'm just assuming. Oh shit, Bud Light box. We're gonna go ahead and make a stop by the creek, which is what this is called, Lytle Creek. Can't not see the creek if we're in Lytle Creek, you know what I mean? Holy shit, it's windy. I like this rock, it looks cool. And here we are at the bridge of the creek in the running water. Beautiful view ropes. Let's go ahead and head down there. Got some Nerf darts. Nerf for nothing. You guys aren't gonna believe this shit. Look at this. This fucking Pallone fuckhead tagged under here too. Yo, that dude can't give anywhere a break. Dude's probably fucking tagged my mom's asshole already. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. This is cool. Look, there's the creek. It kind of just comes in. Ew, moss. What the fuck? What the hell is that? What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh my god. What the fuck? Are you serious? That is creepy. Look how pretty this is. Bunch of Corona bottles right there. Dude, there's a bunch of Coronas there that aren't open. The beer's still inside of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Literally like a whole fucking like 24 pack or something. Damn, I never really walked down here before. That's cool. Someone had a little tent there. It's fucking pretty. That's cool how the creek literally eroded the rock and made its own little fountain down. Look at that. From all the years of it going through here. Look at that. That's so dope. Nature doing Mother Nature things. Don't mind this green stuff on my lap. It's just creek algae. You guys are literally getting my You guys are literally getting my like fucking cut gazer view. All right, let's go. Dude, my car completely cooled down just in that little time of me teaching right there. Hey, look at this. Not a bad view, huh? Here's a perfect chance to make a U-bitch. So guys, this is what it looks like in a top-down Miata. You can look up and you can see the sky. You can get shit on by birds. You can catch an unexpected rainstorm. But it's nothing but clean, fresh air up in this bitch today. I don't think the weather knows what it wants to do today. 10 and 2, bud. 10 and 2. Why are you not 10 and 2, bud? I actually need to go get me some brewski for the stream tonight. Oh, yeah. That probably looks so fucking stupid with this camera on my head. Oh, man. We need to get some reactions of some people. I've been through all these mountains in my dirt bike. Not all of them, but some of them. Glen Helen is right here somewhere too. So this car's been little by little. Oh yeah, I never even mentioned yet the tombstone got swapped out. I don't know if it's been like that since the last video. Because remember it had all that shit from like the very first owner having wood paneling all over it and shit? Look at it now, it fucking looks beautiful as hell. Brand new OEM tombstone. Dude, this road, you gotta avoid potholes like it's your fucking life, dude. And if you got a nice car or a lowered car or whatever, right here, look at that, bam. If you got a nice car or a lowered car, avoid Cajon Boulevard at all fucking costs. You will lose your fucking tires, rims. You might even fucking blow an O-ring in your asshole. What now, ho? Woo! This car is way too fun to drive. What the fuck? My front headlight just dropped down. What the fuck? My front headlight just started flopping and then it just fell down. Ladies and gentle tips, it's about that time. We bid ourselves adieu. Hope you guys enjoyed the cozy little drive in the Miata, top down for once. And I'm gonna figure out what the fuck that problem is. I hope nothing broke, which I'm sure it did. But thank you guys for watching. As always, all links will be down below if you want to support me in any way, shape, or form. Get with my shirts, keychains, stickers, etc. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the out of that like button, and you guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later. And let me know which camera angle you guys like. Twin.
Yeah.